Hello everyone! Following the Livemove tutorial, we're going to walk you through the process of effortlessly creating a simple zap scroll trigger animation with a pin element. Once you've mastered this technique, you'll be able to tackle more intricate scenarios effortlessly. Before diving into configuring animations, let's take a close look at the layout of our demonstration. To start, we've set up a div to encompass all the elements on this page. Adjacent to it, you'll find two main divs that represent distinct sections, as you can see here. In the first section, we've left its display as a block by default. Continuously, we're adding another div with a heading to our structure. This div is specifically defined with an ID for easier animation control. When it comes to sizing, ensure the height is set to 100 VH. Similarly, the heading also receives its unique ID for easy identification. Moving on to the other part. It maintains the same settings but with a contrasting color scheme, with two main color, black and white. In our scenario, our objective is to pin the div that covers the first heading and apply a scaling animation effect to this heading. We need leave a quick note for Bricks users. When combining Livemove, make sure the pinned elements are encompassed by a block display layout. After that, access your Livemove account and create a new project. Insert your target page URL in the domain box, like this. Return to your target page and activate the Livemove extension. Select your appropriate project and click on Add Page. After that, our tool will take you to a simulation page, where you can customize all the animations. Firstly, within the Project tab, enable the option to reset timelines on window resize. It helps your responsive devices better. Now, let's give a name to our timeline. Pinning, as you're aware, is a scroll action feature. Next, select a specific element to trigger or stop animations within this timeline. Under the first tab, let's choose the div that contains the first heading. Enter its ID in the provided box. In the next controls, we desire that once the top of this element aligns with the top of the viewport, all animations in this timeline will start functioning. For the End When tab, we want the animations to stop when the bottom of the trigger element reaches the top of the viewport. Turn on the scrub feature for smoother scroll trigger action in real time. Also, activate the pin element feature and choose the element you want to pin. In other options, where you can control the timeline, work on different responsives. Now, click on the plus icon to start configuring the first animation. Specify the element you wish to animate in the selector box. We desire to animate the first heading in this case. We'd like to scale heading 1 to meet the second div. Perhaps let's try scaling it to 20 times its original size. Then you can click on Live Preview to check its performance. It should be bigger to hit the next div. Oh, it's overlapping with the second heading. You can solve it by adjust the overflow to hidden, or simply scale it down. Let's proceed by adding another animation. This time, we'll affect the div containing heading 1. In the custom box, let's change its color to black. Essentially, this covers the entire div and transitions smoothly to the next div. Click on the live preview to confirm its functionality. Perfect! Once satisfied, click on the Save and Export button to convert this into JavaScript. Then embed these codes into your target page as usual. Back to your target page, add the code element. You can embed these code to anywhere else. After that, don't forget to execute code. And that's all we want to show you in this short tutorial. Please let us know your feedback and any your suggestion to improve our tool.